My name is Sonam and now I am working at RD Mall, hair and jewelry accessories.
मैं पिछले 2 सालों से जॉब कर रही हूँ गुड़गांव के वजीडो पर एज अ रेडियो रिपोर्टर।
My name is Garima Kumari. I am working as a marketing executive at Yellow Digital Media.
Some connections go beyond networks. They transform lives. For Sonam, Sakshi and Garima, the right support at the right time changed everything.
We started this center in 2022 and successfully we have completed 5 batches in March 2025. Through this project, we trained 120 students every year.
From uncertainty to independence, from hope to achievement, their journey is a testament to what's possible when talent meets opportunity.
मुझे अंक के बारे में सबसे पहले मेरी दोस्त के फादर से पता चला था और हम दोनों ने एक साथ ही फर्स्ट बैच में अंक ज्वाइन करा था।
यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी टीचर्स थी, वंदना मैम, अनु मैम, अंकित सर और क्रेस्ट डिजिटल से भी काफ़ी वॉलेंटियर्स आते थे। हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते थे किससे कैसे बात करना है और मार्केटिंग के बारे में, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के बारे में।
At Crest Digital, we believe in connections that go beyond business, connections that care, empower, support.
लगा है कि हम लोग उतना पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं नहीं, तो कंप्यूटर के मामले में उतना जानकारी था नहीं। आगे पढ़ाई का डिमांड थोड़ा ज़्यादा था, तो इसके पापा एडमिशन नहीं करा रहे थे। और जब अंक से ज्वाइन करके वहाँ पे अपना जॉब करने लगी तो एडमिशन भी करा दी। अंक जितना धन्यवाद उतना ही कम है।
Guided by our vision of enriching lives to create a positive social impact, we continue our mission of empowering communities. One significant step for a girl is one giant leap for the family. Through our partnership with Ank for Project Yukti, we are unlocking possibilities for young girls and enabling better livelihoods for their families.
इंडिपेंडेंसी मेरे लिए और मेरे फैमिली के लिए यही है कि हम जो है खुद अपनी मर्जी से जॉब कर पा रहे हैं और उनको सपोर्ट कर पा रहे हैं। अब मुझे छोटे से छोटी चीज़ के लिए उनकी सलाह लेनी पड़ती है पर उनसे पैसे नहीं लेने पड़ते, जो मेरे लिए और उनके लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है।
Timely awareness and quality healthcare can mean the difference between struggle and survival, fear and hope. Through our association with the Indian Cancer Society, we foster hope, resilience, and reassurance by raising awareness, advocating early detection, and providing financial support.
This journey has been an eye-opening experience. From the beginning, we focus to empower and educate the villagers and with the knowledge of the cancer and their causes, symptoms, importance of early detections.
The initial challenges faced by the ICS team was that people were hesitant to get the screenings done, but the ICS team tirelessly worked on their doubts and cleared their concerns, make them understand about the importance of early screenings and got the most of the people screening done.
These camps were a big step towards reducing health problem in the area early and start treatment quickly. With this work, CDPL and ICS are making a real difference, bringing important health services to a community and helping build a healthier future.
Over the past 2 years, this journey has touched lives across both urban and rural areas. With every camp, every patient, and every volunteer, we are building something bigger. We are building hope. Just as access to healthcare empowers lives, education unlocks futures. Every child carries the spark of possibility, but dreams can take flight only amidst the right environment. With our collaboration with Salam Balak Trust, we are investing in the future of children by supporting their overall well-being. We are nurturing young minds, providing them with the tools, guidance, and care that empower them to dream beyond their circumstances.
We get the children in need of care and protection. So here we have girls between the age of 6 to 18 years. Like some of them are often missing, abandoned, sexual abuse and physical abuse cases are also there. We try our best to provide education to all the children who are here, but with the support of CREST we could support them for the proper formal education till 12th standard, and then they can opt for the higher education. The team from CREST comes here and interact with the children on regular basis, and our children also become a part of CREST family during various occasions and festivals.
मेरा नाम निशु है और मेरे को आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना है. My name is Sashi and I want to become a software engineer.
मेरा नाम दिव्या और मैं साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ. I want to become a banker.
और मैं बड़े होकर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बनना चाहती हूँ.
Real change isn't a one-time effort. It's a promise we renew with every life we touch. This is just the beginning. Our commitment to empowering communities through education, healthcare, and livelihood will only grow stronger. Because true progress isn't about just support, it's about connecting to a better tomorrow.